away at the floor. It wants to come down and paint too.
Maybe it's gonna steal our paper.
I hope not. You know, rats like to eat things.
Yeah, and they eat. And did you know that one night I was awake when Daddy and Phil was sleeping, and a rat, there was paper on the desk, and a rat came in and ate the paper.
See, that's what rats do.
They eat paper too.
Theo, what's your painting of? What is that? A big lake?
No, it's an island.
An island.
That's beautiful. What's that, Elsie?
A Superman.
She's inspired by her grandmother.